Are you tired of cross-posting your notes from Evernote to OneNote? Let me show you how to do it automatically, using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Evernote to OneNote on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Evernote, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If you click on the Account tab, a link will pop up for you to log into your Evernote account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the notebook you'd like to use for your Zap and click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so log into your Microsoft account just like you did with your Evernote account and click Continue. From there, we can start to assign our trigger app's data into the action apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our OneNote account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we create a new note in Evernote, the data will automatically be uploaded to our OneNote account as well. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if OneNote and Evernote aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You could sign up and start for free.